Okay, so today we are going to discuss regarding the application of Henry law, right. So already we have discussed it. What is Henry law, right. So what is the relationship between the mole fraction and the vapor pressure, right. So already we have discussed it regarding that, and now we are moving on the application of Henry law. So what are the applications? There are 3 applications they may ask in examination. Okay, so give any application, or else they will ask some of the things, the medical terms they have given here. They will ask, so what are those medical terms and what is the definition of that medical terms? We will discuss one by one. Okay, the first thing is we know the soda water. So already we know that. So what is soda water? So lime or anything, the soda water, right. So in particular bottles you have what? Carbonated water, you can say it is carbonated water, right. And that lid is made up of what? They are cork, right. And you have the bottle, right. So glass bottle, thick glass bottles you have, and inside that you have water and the mixture of gas, or else you can say carbon dioxide plus water, right. So carbon dioxide is gas, right. The solubility of gas in liquid, it is very less, right. So that's why we have to add carbon dioxide with a high pressure. So high pressure ಅನ್ನು ಹಾಕಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಡೈಆಕ್ಸೈಡ್ ಅನ್ನು ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ under high pressure. So we have to pass carbon dioxide with water, and the lid should be what? That is cork, and tightly closed, right. Why? Because this gas should escape out if it is open, right. So hence the solubility increases when you add more and more pressure for the gas. The solubility of gas becomes more and more if you increase the pressure, and you have to make it tight. So lid make it tight, and you can observe, right, the bottle has the cork, so metallic cork, it is shielded with the metallic cork and at a higher pressure. So why it is? Because this is one of the application to prepare this soda water. So you have to use particular gas under high pressure, right. The soda water for soft drinks, it is prepared by passing carbon dioxide into water at a high pressure, so that large amount of carbon dioxide may be dissolved, right. So immediately ಇದನ್ನು open ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ? So we are getting gas pressurized ಅದರೊಳಗಿದೆ, ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಸೊ ಇಮಿಡಿಯೇಟ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಹೈ ಪ್ರೆಷರಿಂದ ಲೋ ಪ್ರೆಷರ್ ಕಡೆಗೆ gas escape ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, with that liquid also come out, right. So that is one of the use. So next, in a deep sea divers ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ಸೊ ಸ್ಕೂಬಾ ಡೈವರ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು, ಸಮುದ್ರದ ಆಳದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗುವಂಥ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಗಳು, right. So deep sea divers. So when in deep sea, what happens? At the deep sea you have water, large amount of water you have. So inside the deep sea what happens? The pressure becomes more and more. Pressure ಎನ್ನುವುದು ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಹೈ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ under water, or else you can see in deep sea. So here if it is person is present, so pressure is becomes what? More and more. So ತುಂಬಾ high pressure ಇರುತ್ತೆ. So then what happens? So then the dissolution of gases becomes what? More and more. So at the high pressure what happens? The nitrogen or else oxygen gas are dissolved in that particular persons when they are respiring inside that sea water or deep sea water. So then because of high pressure, more and more nitrogen gas and the oxygen gas enter into the blood vessels. Blood vessels ಒಳಗಡೆಗೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, here what happens, inside the blood vessels more and more carbon dioxide, oxygen and the nitrogens are getting dissolved at a higher rate. Okay, and where? So in deep sea, right. And that persons when come out from the deep sea to surface level, right, when he come out from that sea, now what happens? The pressure here more, where inside the sea or else deep sea the pressure is more. At the surface level what happens, or else out of the sea what happens? The pressure becomes what? Very less. So when the same person coming out of the sea, so now what happens? The maximum dissolved oxygen and nitrogen, right. So inside the blood vessels, inside the blood, so immediately they want to become what? They are trying to become what? Outside, and they will make the bubbles. They will make bubbles inside the blood vessels. Blood vessels ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅವು, so they are making bubbles of what, nitrogen and oxygen, and they are blocking the capillary, and also they can rupture the capillary. And this medical condition, right, so blocking of the blood vessels or else rupture of that blood vessels is known as what, bends. ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀನೋ ಅದನ್ನು, ವೆರಿ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಬೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಬೆಂಡ್ಸ್. ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, in deep sea pressure is very high, so that more nitrogen and oxygen dissolved in the blood. When a sea diver comes up, due to the sudden decrease in a pressure, the dissolved O2 and N2 try to come out, and the formation of bubbles in the blood or as blood vessels you can say. So this blocks the capillary and create the medical condition called the bends ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. So very very important, bends. This can be prevented by using the mixture of helium and air instead of air alone. ಅವರು ಸಿಲಿಂಡರ್ನ ತಗೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ, ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇನ್ಸ್ಟೆಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಏರ್ ಅಲೋನ್ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಯೂಸ್ ದಿ ಹೀಲಿಯಂ. ಸೊ ದ ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟೇಜ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಿ ಹಿಯರ್, 11.7% helium and 56.2% of nitrogen and 32% of the oxygen in that particular cylinder. So when you add helium, so then what happens, the pressure becomes maintained and there is no formation of what, bends, right? There is no formation of bends, you can see. So this is the second application, right? So next, third one. So now what happens, so this is the surface level. So when you go for the hill level, so hill ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ, ಸೊ ದ ಟಾಪ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಹಿಲ್ ಅಥವಾ ಏರಿಯಾ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಸೊ ವೇರ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಲಿವಿಂಗ್, ಸಮ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಲಿವಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಏರಿಯಾ, ರೈಟ್. ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನೇನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, ಹೈಯರ್ ಆಲ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಹೈಯರ್ ಆಲ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್, ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಲೋವರ್, ಸೊ ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು ಅಥವಾ ಸಿ ಲೆವೆಲ್. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ರೀಜನ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಿ, ಘಟ್ಟ ಪ್ರದೇಶ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇರ್ಬೋದಲ್ಲ, ಅದೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಸೊ ಹೈಯರ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್, ರೈಟ್. ಸೊ ಹೈ ಆಲ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ದ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಹೂ ಆರ್ ಲಿವಿಂಗ್ ಹಿಯರ್, right, high altitude, the pressure becomes what, pressure is very very less, pressure is very very less, or you can see the concentration of what, oxygen here decreases, concentration of O2 here what, decreases, right, concentration of O2 decreases because of the lower pressure, right. So now persons who are living here, the people who are living here, so they are going to respire, right. So due to that what happens, the concentration of O2 becomes less in the air, whatever they are getting or else inhaling that particular gases, air ಅನ್ನು breathe ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, inhale ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, the concentration of O2 becomes lesser and lesser. So due to that what happens, there is a medical condition we are calling, so that disease we are calling ನಾಕ್ಸಿಯಾ. ಸೊ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ಅದನ್ನು, ನಾಕ್ಸಿಯಾ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ನಾಕ್ಸಿಯಾ ಅಂದ್ರೇನು, ನಾಕ್ಸಿಯಾ ಈಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್, ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ಸ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ ವೆರಿ ವೀಕ್. ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ದೇ ಆರ್ ವೆರಿ ವೀಕ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅನೇಬಲ್ ಟು ಥಿಂಕ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಥಿಂಕಿಂಗ್ ಕೆಪಾಸಿಟಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ದೇ ಆರ್ ಅನೇಬಲ್ ಟು ಥಿಂಕ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಲಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹೆನ್ಸ್ their body structure becomes what, very weak, and that medical condition we are calling what, nausea, right. At a high altitude, atmospheric pressure is low. As a result, the solubility of oxygen in blood during the respiration becomes low, leading to the disease called what, nausea ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನು, nausea ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಇನ್, ಸೊ ಯಾರು ಮರ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹತ್ತುತ್ತಾರೆ ನೋಡಿ ಜಾಸ್ತಿಯಾಗಿ, ಸೊ ಕೊಕೊನಟ್ ಟ್ರೀ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಸೊ ಕೊಕೊನಟ್ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಯಾರು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಹತ್ತಾರೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ, ದೇ ಆರ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ ವೆರಿ ವೆರಿ ವೀಕ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದ ಥಿಂಕಿಂಗ್ ಕೆಪಾಸಿಟಿ ಬಿಕಮ್ಸ್ ವೆರಿ ವೆರಿ ವೀಕ್, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಮೆಡಿಕಲ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಕಾಲಿಂಗ್, ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನು, ನಾಕ್ಸಿಯಾ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದು, ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಕ್ಸಿಯಾ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಬೆಂಡ್, ರೈಟ್, ಆರ್ ಎಲ್ಸ್ ಗಿವ್ ಎನಿ ಒನ್ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಆಫ್ ವಾಟ್, ಹೆನ್ರಿ ಲಾ. Okay, so next we are going to solve the particular problem, right. So carbon dioxide is passed to water at a pressure of 10 bar. Calculate the solubility of CO2 in a 1 liter of water at 25 degrees Celsius, right. Henry law constant ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, it is nothing but 1.67 into 10 to the power of 3 bar. Okay, so let us consider 1 liter of water. Okay, so 1 liter of water, so 1 liter of water. So you have to pass carbon dioxide gas. ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಡೈಆಕ್ಸೈಡ್ ಗ್ಯಾಸನ್ನು ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ವೆನ್ at pressure they have given here, at pressure, so that is 10 bar. They asked the question, right. So calculate the solubility. So what is the solubility, or else you can say solubility is nothing but how many carbon dioxide atoms are dissolved here, or else what is the number of moles of carbon dioxide dissolved inside that particular 1 liter of water, right? So we will calculate one by one, okay, right? So given thing is pressure, they have given pressure, so that is equal to 10 bar, and the kH Henry law constant they have given for carbon dioxide 1.67 into 10 to the power of 3 bar, okay. So we know that, so pressure is directly proportional or else equal to what, kH into x, right? So x, right, mole fraction, you can say x, mole fraction, right? So now x is equal to what, x is equal to P divided by kH, so pressure they have given, so 10 bar divided by, so kH is nothing but 1.67 into 10 to the power of 3 equal to, what happens, solve it, 10 to the power of 3, 10 to the power 3, 1 will go, and then 10 to the power of 2, 10 to the power of 2 ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಬಂದಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ, ಸೊ 10 to the power of minus 2 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, right? So 100 divided by 1.67, so that is nothing but 0. So you can say 0.006 ಅಂತ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿ, 0.006, okay, clear? So that is the x value or else mole fraction, x, okay, now mole fraction ಅಂತ ಕರಿಬಹುದು, right? So what is the mole fraction? So mole fractions we come to know what about the x value of carbon dioxide. So this is the mole fraction of what, x of CO2, you can say CO2, that is equal to 0.006, and also we require what, the mole fraction of what, x of water, so that is x of H2O, right? What is that x of H2O, right? Number of moles in water, ಎಷ್ಟು ವಾಟರ್ ನ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ, 1 liter ವಾಟರ್ ನ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ, so what is the number of moles, so what is the number of moles of water which is present here, not x of water, we required number of moles of water, H2O, right? So n value, n is nothing but the number of moles, small n, number of moles, I can write number of moles of water. So x carbon dioxide is nothing but the mole fraction, right? Mole fraction of what, carbon dioxide, it is given, right? So now we have to go for to calculate the number of moles of water in 1 liter, or else you can say it is, yeah, in 1 liter, 1 liter of water. So 1 liter of water ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು moles ಇರುತ್ತೆ, right? So 1 liter of water is nothing but what, 1000 ml, and 1000 ml is nothing but what, that is equal to same density, same ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ, 1000 gram, right? And so how many moles, number of moles is present, right? So for that we have to divide what, number of moles is nothing but ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ, weight divide by molecular mass, weight ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ, so 1000 ml is nothing but 1000 gram divide molecular mass of water ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ, H2O is nothing but 1 into 2 plus oxygen sustain, total ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ, 18 grams, right? So hence what happens, that is equal to number of moles ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ, number of moles of water in 1 liter, it is equal to, that is equal to 1000 divided by ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 18 gram, that is equal to ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ 55.55, 50.55 is nothing but the moles of water, or else you can say NH, number of moles of water, right? So now we have to calculate what, so we require the mole fraction of carbon dioxide. So mole fraction of carbon dioxide is equal to what is the mole fraction of carbon dioxide? Mole fraction of carbon dioxide is nothing but number of moles of carbon dioxide divide by solution ಮಾಡಿದೀವಲ್ಲ, ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ, carbon dioxide we are going to add it for the water, right? So gas in solvent, so then we are getting solution, gas ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, gas is the solute and the water is the solvent, right? So ಎರಡನ್ನ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ, ಅದರಿಂದ ಬೈನರಿ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, ರೈಟ್. ಸೊ ಹೆನ್ಸ್ ನಾವು what happens, the mole, there are two things, one is the mole fraction of water and another one mole fraction of the carbon dioxide, right. So now we require what, mole fraction of carbon dioxide. So right, so that already we have calculated here. So this is nothing but, so what is the value of X carbon dioxide, that you can get it from number of moles of carbon dioxide plus what happened, number of moles of water molecules, right. So we require now what is the number of moles of carbon dioxide, means how many carbon dioxides are dissolved in that particular 1 liter of water, right. So this value we know what, X chi value, that is nothing but 0.006, right, equal to 0.006 divided by 0. Sorry, we don't know, so let it be NCO2 and NCO2 plus water, we have find it out, that is nothing but 55.55, right. So now what happens, so in the denominator, what happens, so here nearly equal to what happens, you can remove the value what, so here, so in denominator N or else number of moles of carbon dioxide, hence what happens, so this equation becomes 0.006, that is nearly equal to number of moles of carbon dioxide divided by 55.55. So nearly equals anta takolbodu, compared to the number of moles of carbon dioxide in particular solvent is very less anta takolbodu, adrinda denominator alli value enagutte, so gaseous idre enagutte, so it becomes what, nearly, so you can remove that values, okay. So now what happens, 0.006 equal to what, so nearly equal to what, number of moles of carbon dioxide and the number of moles of what, water, right. So now rewrite, so you can rewrite 0.066 into 55.5, that is equal to enagutte namage N of carbon dioxide or else number of moles of carbon dioxide. So therefore number of moles of carbon dioxide, it is equal to 0.006 into 55.5, that is equal to what, just calculate the values, so how much you are getting, so nearly you are getting 0.333 moles, 0.33 moles, right. Right, so this is the value. Therefore the solubility of carbon dioxide in water, therefore solubility of carbon dioxide in water, that is equal to how many moles, 0.33 moles. This is the value of NCO2, okay, NCO2 anta helbodu, solubility of carbon dioxide in water, that is equal to 0.33 mole, right. So simple problem, right, pressure kottidare, Henry law kottidare, so hence you can say find out the mole fraction, so mole fraction of what, mole fraction of CO2, right. So that is 0.006, right, X CO2, right. And now what is the number of moles of water in per liter, so that is nothing but 55.55, because 1000 gram of water divided by molecular mass of that water 18 gram, right. So X carbon dioxide is equal to number of moles of carbon dioxide divided by all the moles, number of moles of carbon dioxide plus the number of moles of water, so together, so you have to add that. So here what happens, the denominator value we can so remove here, so then 0.006 is nearly equal to what, number of moles of carbon dioxide divided by 55.55, hence finally we are getting what, 0.33 moles, that is the number of moles of carbon dioxide which is dissolved in a particular water at 10 bar pressure, okay.